Riverside was a wonderful company to work with. It was smooth and easy to work with, and everyone was so polite and efficient.
Super clean, really pleasant to deal with. I couldn't recommend them more to anybody.
Very professional and answered all our questions.
And nothing was high pressure about it. Just gave us all the info and let us make our own decision.
They seemed to be excited about what they were doing and selling. So they knew some of what they were doing was important for the environment, and they were excited to be doing it for that reason.
We chose Riverside because we talked to some friends and neighbors. Our neighbor 2 doors down actually had you guys, and he loved you and he recommended you, and yeah, we're very happy.
I would highly recommend Riverside Energy for solar installation because they're very professional, courteous.
I would recommend Riverside Energy Systems because their service is outstanding and they're so quick and efficient in getting the solar panels installed in our home.
We chose Riverside for your quickness and the promptness to get it up, and you guys were great to deal with.
We are very, very happy with Riverside Energy, so I highly recommend, no reservations. If you are interested, go with Riverside Energy Systems.
We absolutely love them, and definitely would recommend Riverside for any solar projects that you have in the future.